The Ninth Circuit Clinic took 6 or 7 students and paired them with attorneys to work on cases before the Ninth Circuit. And each student had their own case. And my case, for example, involved a man who had been wrongly deported from the United States, and we were working on making sure he could come back here, and so we argued that the government did not present enough evidence to show that he was actually convicted of the crime for which he was deported. I'm excited about the Ninth Circuit Clinic because I'm interested in litigation, and the firm that I summered with in my 2L year also has an appellate practice, so I thought this would give me a chance to do some of that work that I would hope to be able to do a couple years down the road. For example, I got to do an oral argument before the Ninth Circuit, before Chief Judge Kaczynski, actually. And so that's the kind of thing that attorneys wait years to do at a firm, and I was very fortunate to get to do it in school. The Ninth Circuit Clinic taught me 2 really important skills. One of them was brief writing, but in a persuasive way that's, I think, different than what a lot of law school teaches you. So what I learned was sort of argument selection and how to choose the facts and the law that support your client, not only in sort of a dry recitation of how this fact applies to this law, but also that presents sort of a human picture so that the judge understands the consequences for the decision you're asking him or her to make. In our case, for example, our client, whether he would be deported or not hinged on this case. So it was really important for us to lay out for the judges both the law but also the policy behind the law to help them understand why the policy supported our clients and why he should return to the U.S. I think my favorite part of the Ninth Circuit Clinic was the very end of our oral argument. One of the judges on our panel complimented us on our briefs. And because the Ninth Circuit posts online audio clips from all the oral arguments, I can now listen to that compliment over and over again for as long as I want. I think anyone who's interested in litigation should definitely take the Ninth Circuit Clinic, anyone who's interested in appellate work. And then also, if you want to clerk, I think either at a district court level, it's helpful to get this experience so you can see how appellate attorneys will attack all the decisions by the lower court judge. And then obviously, if you're interested in appellate clerkship, it's beneficial too.